You know what's annoying? Everyone online claims to teach aesthetic medicine now.
Yeah, learn Botox in 3 days and get a certificate. No patience, no practice.
I just want a place where we actually learn on real skin, like
Right.
with trainers who worked in real clinics.
And one that actually helps you build a career, not just show you a demo and vanish.
You're not asking for too much. You're just asking for Dr. EduMed, the academy that redefined clinical aesthetic training in Coimbatore, and now it's in Chennai.
Not another classroom. Not another crash course. This is Chapter 2, where the real training begins. Clinic-ready aesthetic professionals. From the operation theatre to opportunity. I am Dr. EduMed, and I don't just teach, I transform.